Hello everyone, this is Teacher Anna. I'm back. I am back. So I'm going to the gym and I'm thinking about paano ko kaya ulit i-start yung ano ko, yung YouTube channel ko while I'm doing my makeup. So sabi ko, okay, maybe let's just record while we are doing our makeup. This is actually my makeup na um gagawin ko kapag napunta ako sa gym. Syempre, kahit na gym 'yon, hindi tayo pwede maging medyo tsaka. Mga ano lang, 30% tsaka lang, okay na 'yun. Anyway, so, ano naman yung sinasabi ko? Yes, I'm back. I'm back on vlogging. If you guys still remember me, I'm Teacher Anna from ACADSOC before, and I was also doing a lot of video tutorials, how to apply to this and that company. And now I'm back as a business owner. I actually have my own company now, my own ESL company, and it's 5 years na actually next month. Wait nga, gawin ko lang yung kilig ko. Saglit. But this company that I have, I am very proud of it. 5 years na siya kasi our company value and culture is revolved to single moms, as I am a single mom myself. So priority namin, i-hire yung mga single mom and mga working student, and we are very, very, very teacher friendly. As much as possible, we don't do penalties. We don't record class kung hindi naman um tawag dito, nire-request ng teacher. As much as possible, we want to trust our teacher that they're doing their job in class and they're taking care of their student as their own kid. Um, and yeah, so far it's working and we're turning 5 years. And that's actually why I'm here and I'm planning to grow my YouTube again. Because you guys, I'm announcing that um I am ready to announce to the world that I have this company and this is our culture and this is our value to help Filipino educators, especially single moms and or just moms by themselves, and also working students um, that they want to work and they want to support their study. We want you. We want to take you. I will train you myself. I will be your trainer. I will guide you and I will tell you how my company works. Because my company, um, we work on the boats. Sabi ko, benefits of like both sides, benefit the teacher and then the students. So we don't make the teacher feel stressed as much as possible. Lahat ng mga ayaw ko sa mga pinagtrabahuan kong ESL company before, hindi ko siya ina-apply sa company ko. Like penalty, may penalty kami kasi kapag teacher, sobra na po. Ganun. But talagang sometimes nga hindi na namin inaano yung our own rule binibenta namin for the teacher. For example, sinabi ko na, okay, dapat 3 hours before class magsabi. Tapos pag really emergency, tapos bagyo or something, like they tried their best na makapag-class pero di talaga kinaya, I don't give them penalty. Kasi ayaw natin yun. Ayaw natin ng penalty. We don't like that. Wait lang. Tantayin ko muna yung kilig ko. So, alam mo, parang feeling ko i-upload ko tong video na to nang hindi ko ina-edit. That is one thing that I haven't changed in myself. I'm so lazy to edit video. So, bala kayo dyan. Yeah. Anyway, guys, if you guys don't know, so when I was working in ACADSOC, I was engaged. I was engaged and now I'm single. Kala nyo kinasal na, no? I went through a very, very bad heartbreak. Hindi ako nakapag-move on. Or I think nakakapag-move on ako little by little, but it took me whole 2 years to finally regain myself, my self-confidence, my everything. Tapos makapag-isip ng straight, think straight, and then harapin lahat ng mga dapat kong harapin sa buhay. It was really hard. So for those who are going through a heartbreak, especially sa like yung long-term relationship and you thought that you'll get married soon, like me, I actually it's just like we are already planning the wedding. Few months before the wedding, I caught him cheating. Oh, it still hurt. It does still hurt kapag ka naalala ko. The betrayal still hurt. It's really, really hard to trust again. And up until now, I'm still single. But it's okay. Because we focus to ourselves and we heal. Okay, so na out of the topic na ako. Anyway, so you guys, if you are looking for okay, so maybe this is story time about me moving on and then the things, the healing that I did before is on the next video na or the other video. Marami pa tayong video pagdadaanan. But for now, ayun nga, I'm just announcing that if you guys want to apply to my company, I will put the um may nakita kasi akong iba na video. So distracted. That's my ADHD. So I'm going to put the email address on my description below. And then just send your resume, even if you don't have teaching experience, as long as I know that you are a mom, a single mom or working student, that you want to work with us, want to work with me and to my company, and to be part of my growing family. I will take you. I want you. We want you. What else? So yeah, that is this video all about. I'm back. Marami na akong pinagbago sa sarili ko. Ang dami kong binago, ang dami kong really, I think that the old Anna was already dead, but I'm still Anna. I'm just a reborn version. Yeah. Also, I am into fitness now. Don't, if you, can you see? Can you tell? Charot. Maybe you want to know my whatever fitness routine. What do I eat in a day? As a person who lives alone. What the fuck am I saying? Anyway, bye.